Today is Tuesday, December 1st. It appears to be quite windy and it looks like there might be some snow squalls blowing in. Got about an hour and a half to hunt. And I got a deer, buck, doe, bear, anything. It's brown or black, it's down. Here we go.
Well, it's about 3:30 and just got in the stand. It is windy and the temperature is dropping. So this should be a fun one. Well, it's 20 after 4 and the wind's howling. It's about 35 degrees. And I did not wear enough clothing. I don't have a layer on it to break wind. I mean, I can break wind with the best of them. But I'm not wearing any clothing that's cutting the wind. Wow, there's a snow squall blowing through right now. Temperatures are definitely creating me movement. It's taking cold out here. I don't know why in the world any deer would want to live outdoors. You'd think they would have caught up with the evolutionary curve by now and started building houses. If the globe keeps warming at such an alarming rate, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go invest in a new hunting coat. I can't take this global warming. I personally think there's a little bit of election fraud going on here today. I voted for the 10-point to show up. My buddy Kyle voted for the 10-point to show up. My wife and 7 kids all voted for the 10-point to show up, and the 10-point has not showed up yet. So obviously he did not know that he was the 10-point elect to show up at the buck nest today. I see. He must have had all the does on the farm stuff in the ballot box for him. That's all I got to say. I got a special present for him. 180 grains of Remington Core-Lokt ammo coming out of a Browning Medallion X-Bolt 30-06. Okay. I left my stand about 15 minutes early. On my way out, I checked one field to have some oats cover crop in, and there was 2 doe out there. So I got in a prune shooting position because it was, oh man, 180 to 200 yards anyway. And I cracked off 2, and they didn't really know where they're shooting